Hi, I'm Carmen and
Mike. So the big job was the kitchen. There used to be a wall here. Day one, they were doing the demolition, and they noticed that there was a supporting wall, and suggested if I want to keep the floor plan, the kitchen plan, that they'd have to put this beam in, and I approved that. That was on a Monday. I came home from work on Tuesday, and it was already completed. It's very impressive how quickly they worked.
Easy Reno fulfilled like every actual need we had. We had a very big vision, and I actually can't believe it that it actually unfolded as seamlessly as it did.
Easy Reno was seemed more accommodating than another company. When you had an idea, um, Eugene could see that vision, and he said he could make that happen. Another company was giving suggestions that I just didn't agree with. I think it's quite paramount that for good customer service that you're not disagreeing with your customer, right? Which you guys do not. You make the vision happen.
This was a very different looking place when we came.